This is the neighborhood you should live in if you're looking for a central location, tree-lined streets, and classic curb appeal.
Welcome to Fredericton's Sunshine Gardens. Conveniently nestled between downtown Fredericton and two parks, Sunshine Gardens is a mix of mid-century homes,
plus apartment buildings and condos overlooking Odell Park. Families will also appreciate the proximity to popular schools, including Connaught Street Elementary and George Street Middle, as well as nearby daycare centers and preschools. The neighborhood is also close to the University of New Brunswick, St. Thomas University, and NBCC, making it a popular area for university faculty and staff.
And for outdoor lovers, Odell Park is just steps away, with 333 acres of forested trails, picnic spots, and year-round activities. And for families, Wilmot Park is just around the corner, with multi-use courts, a splash pad, and a large playground.
Plus, you're minutes away from downtown and all of its fine offerings. And Sunshine Gardens is within walking distance to the Superstore.
Whether it's the charming homes, the proximity to nature, or the welcoming community feel,
you'll quickly see why Sunshine Gardens is one of Fredericton's favorite places to live.